Inspection type 01, which is a good receipt inspection for the purchase order, an integration of quality management and material management department. In this case, the lot will be triggered once the goods are posted. The goods can either be posted from the production department or when we are purchasing anything from a vendor. Normally we purchase raw material. At that time, do this inspection type 01, creating a purchase order using the transaction ME21N, and this MIGO transaction will be done where we will do the good receipts. The stock is coming in my premises. The stock is moving to the quality department instead of directly going for ready to use. It will be tested by the quality department and then it will be moved. Lot will be generated, which is an automatically generated lot. So for result recording, we will be using the transaction either QE51N or QA32. Same transaction can be used. Based on that, usage decision will be done. Accepted or rejected will be done by the quality department. If it is good, then you will move it to the unrestricted. It is usable by the production department or further processing part. If you find any defects, then you do the defect recording and raise the notification for it. Will inform the vendor that you are not giving the good quality and whatever kappa or any other things you want, that action will be taken. That the stock will be moved to restricted, scrap, or blocked, or which location. What all prerequisites are there in the material master? Material was 1020. Click on this, you'll get the complete list. You need to activate this inspection type 01, receipt inspection for the purchase order, which you want the inspection to be done. Should be active. You can see the details here in the lower half part. Post to inspection stock, this checkbox should be checked. There is another inspection type which is 0101, which is again a good receipts inspection, which is also called as a source inspection or a model inspection, in which we are doing the inspection at the vendor place. Maintain this procurement data part. 01 inspection type, this is not mandatory, but when we are doing a source inspection, in that case, we need one more master data to be maintained, which is a quality info record. Click on control keys. Here we can control few things like this should be released, or we need a certificate from a vendor. Or so at present we will keep it simple and we will do the inspection with the simple case. Initially, of course, for any lot creation, the data need to be created. Sampling procedure, you need to have MICs be inspected. Catalog, selected set, inspection plan also. Control key is QM01. The header part what is created and the usage is 5, it will be linked. Go to the configuration, either you use SPRO. If you click on this SAP implementation guide, it will show you the complete list of modules and use QCC0. It will directly take you to the quality management module only. Quality inspection, inspection lot creation. Here you are maintaining the inspection type details, right? Take the 01 and if you click on this lens part, default settings for this inspection type. Thus its usage is 5. Inspection plan, specify the usage part. So if it is good receipt, we normally select the usage 5. 5 is there, it will be linked. Configuration part, number range. Okay, we create an inspection lot. So if we go to the display part, for the inspection lot 01, the range is what you can specify here. It is inspection type 16, which is used for stability study. The lot will be generated with the prefix with 16. Okay, default. But of course, we can change it also. MBE. Enter the name of the material or the number, plant, and execute it. Report of the current material stock present in my company or plant or storage location. At present in quality department, it is showing 12. QA 32 report is the lot which is showing that at present in the quality department it is there. Now let's create a new one and then we will clear both the things. Purchase order transaction, T code is ME21N. Create purchase order screen. You need to enter first of all the vendor from whom you are buying. My vendor is 1000 and then press enter. You need to enter the organization data. Purchasing organization is 1000 and then you need to enter the purchasing group, then the company code. Then press enter key. The item material part, I am telling 1020 is my material. Press enter every time, okay? And then you need to specify the plant, which is 1100. The quantity, I'm taking 25 this time. Already 12 is there in my stock, okay? So press enter key. This is the check icon. If you click on this, it will tell you if there is any error or something. Then you can just double click on that and it will show you the error message clearly, if any, with the red mark. And then you first try to resolve that error and then move forward. Okay. No error is there, so we can save it. This is the number which is generated, purchase order number. ME23N will be used for display. It will show you the just now created whatever purchase order we have. Do this MIGO transaction. And this drop down option, here you need to select good receipt. Okay. You have other options also. We will take later on. Receiving the goods. And against the purchase order we are taking, so you need to select the purchase order. Here you need to enter the purchase order number, which we have received after creating that purchase order. Press the key. See that it has already populated the information which was linked for that particular purchase order number. So my quantity was 25. Here you can see this movement type also, which is 1010. If you click on this part, it will show you so many movement types. So in SAP, anything is moving from one location to another location, there that is controlled by this movement type. When you are doing good receipts from purchase order, the movement type is 101. You just click on this check button, it will tell you what is mandatory. Material tab in the bottom part, there is an item OK checkbox is there. Once from your end everything is okay, you click on this item OK option. Okay, so this checkbox need to be checked, then only it will allow me. Again on check, what it will see. Internally it has assigned a badge to this. Again, you click on this check button. Now it is saying document is okay. So now I can post it. Click on post. My material document number. So just select this display. It will previous number. Okay. Press enter key. You can again see the details here of recently done Migo transaction. Here also you have the option that it will show you the inspection lot number also, which is generated. See. And in the where part also, here the stock type, you can see it's in quality inspection. Go to the report MMBE to see where is my stock. My material is same 1020 and the plant is 1100 and execute it. It is showing me that the stock is at present in quality department. I have added 25 quantity, right? QA 32, see the lot. The filter of 01 only is this 25 is added. Okay. We'll be doing the result recording for this particular lot as it is in release date. Calculated. I will enter the results here. Select the row and then click on this lock icon. Okay. Save the data. Now you can see the valuation has been added. This is the final valuation. Status part also. 5 means that processing has been completed. Save it. Refresh it to check the status. See, now the status has been changed to inspected and result recording has been done. You do the usage decision, accepted or rejected. On the basis of that, the stock will be moved. Once everything was accepted, you will accept it. Press the enter key. See, the quality score will be automatically added in that part. This extra tab, which was not available in the inspection type 89, it is here where you are moving the stock. So I'm saying say 25 in the unrestricted, enter, save. The stock will be moved to unrestricted. Result recording of this second lot also with the quantity 12. Let me enter some values and we can reject this lot. So I am purposely entering the values out of the specification so that the overall valuation can be rejected. And the previous one I have moved to the unrestricted, and this one I can move it to the blocked stock. Final valuation has been rejected. Click on save button. Just refresh it. System status is changing whenever we are doing any event, right? So recently we have done the result recording. So since it is saying it is inspected and our EC means result recording has been done. Okay. Then I will select the row and do the usage decision for it. My results were rejected, right? So now I will say reject. The inspection lot stock posting tab. You need to specify where you will be moving this stock after doing the result recording. Since my lot has been rejected, so it should be in the block stock, right? At present, the total quantity is say to be posted is 12. Now I can select any one of these and move my stock to that particular part, right? Moving it to block and then enter. So the total value to be posted is now 0 because it is moved to blocked stock. So click on save. new batch status is unrestricted. You want to restrict or unrestrict. Okay. Since it is rejected, I will move it to restricted. You refresh it. So that lot has been moved. My material was 1020. Let's execute. Green indication means from the inspection point of view, everything has been done. Okay. So since we have already done the result recording and usage decision has been done, and the stock has been moved from quality department to either restricted or unrestricted. Report or MMBE material is this only. Execute it. See where is my current stock. Show you that the stock is moved from the quality department. This 25 is here, the unrestricted stock. But 12 is not here now. And now it is not in the quality department also, because we have done the usage decision and stock posting for it. If you go to extreme right, this block part is there. This 12 is moved from the quality department to the block stock. Usage decision directly instead of doing the result recording. And if I click on, okay, it's a post UD. Codes maintained for the inspection type 01. If we go for the selected set for the same 01 inspection type and the plant is 1710, selected set codes here. Same thing is maintained here in this UD screen also. Like A1 is except unrestricted stock, and based on the valuation code, we have maintained the quality score also. Posting proposal for the UD. Based on the UD code, whether we want to move the stock to the unrestricted use if it is say A1, and to the blocked stock if it is rejected. So if it is say R1, so we can do these things through the configuration to automatically post the stock after the UD has been saved to either unrestricted or blocked stock based on the codes which you have selected. So we can maintain this part here in this. So let's see the same thing in the system, how it works. If inspection type 01, if I select say A2, then automatically in the background, the stock should be moved to the unrestricted. So when you select this, that valuation should be accepted, quality score should be 100. Posting proposal for the UD is to unrestricted use. Okay. Stock screen in background, this checkbox is there, so you need to select that also. Now if I try to create a lot using ME21N, so suppose if I create a purchase order, so let me enter my vendor, it is say, and entering the details for the material to be purchased. So I have entered the quantity and other details. Just check it once and then click on save. So now if I go for the MIGO code receipts against the purchase order, this is my purchase order number. And here if the quantity is 17, click on item OK. And here you can enter the batch, manufacturing date, and then click on save. So now if I go to QA32 report, here this is the lot which is created and it is in release date, so we can do the result recording for it. Just entering the required details, just lock it so that the status will be 5 and then click on save. Now refresh it and we can do the usage decision for it. So here in the UD code, I'm selecting A2, which means accept stock posting in background. So when I select this, then once I click on save button, automatically the stock should be moved to the unrestricted. At present, the quantity is 17 and I haven't moved it. The report also, MMB report for the same material and the plant 1020. In the quality department, the stock is there, which is 17. Click on save if the stock should be moved to the unrestricted. So I have accepted it, and in the inspection of stock, quantity has been moved to the unrestricted. And here even in MMB report, if I refresh it, the stock will move to the unrestricted.